Have you ever wondered why, despite the vast number of stars in the universe, we can't capture them in photos taken from space? We have countless images of galaxies, nebulae, and even black holes, but what about individual stars? It's a mystery that has puzzled astronomers and space enthusiasts for years. In this video, we'll explore the reasons behind this phenomenon and uncover some fascinating facts about stars and space photography. Get ready to embark on a journey through the cosmos and discover why stars remain elusive in space photos. When we see photographs of space, we often marvel at the stunning beauty of the universe. However, we may have noticed that stars are usually captured as mere points of light, lacking the same level of detail and clarity as other celestial objects. So, why can't we capture stars in photos taken in space? The answer lies in the nature of stars themselves. Stars are incredibly bright, emitting a tremendous amount of light and energy. This light can be so intense that it overwhelms the sensors of cameras and telescopes, causing what's known as saturation. Saturation occurs when a camera's sensor receives too much light, causing the brightest parts of an image to appear as a solid white or washed-out area with no detail. It's similar to when we try to take a photo of the sun with our smartphone, only to end up with a bright, featureless circle in the sky. To capture the beauty of the night sky, astronomers use a technique called exposure stacking. This involves taking multiple photos of the same object or scene, each with a shorter exposure time. The resulting images are then combined to create a single photograph with greater detail and depth. However, even with exposure stacking, capturing the true beauty of stars can be challenging. Stars emit different colors of light, and some of these colors are more difficult to capture than others. For example, the light emitted by some stars may be in the ultraviolet or infrared spectrum, which cannot be seen by the human eye and requires specialized cameras to capture. Another factor that makes capturing stars difficult is their distance from Earth. The closest star to Earth, Proxima Centauri, is over 4 light-years away, which means it takes over 4 years for its light to reach us. This makes it challenging to capture the same level of detail as we do with nearby planets, moons, and asteroids in our own solar system. In summary, stars are incredibly bright, emitting a tremendous amount of light that can easily overwhelm cameras and telescopes. The technique of exposure stacking is used to capture the beauty of the night sky, but even with this technique, capturing the true beauty of stars can be challenging due to the different colors of light they emit and their great distance from Earth. So, the next time you look up at the night sky and see a twinkling star, remember that capturing its beauty is not as easy as it seems. In conclusion, while it may be disappointing that we cannot capture the true beauty of stars in photos taken in space, it is important to remember the limitations of technology and the vastness of the universe. However, we can still appreciate the wonder and awe-inspiring nature of stars through our own eyes and through the incredible images captured by telescopes and other instruments. So, next time you look up at the night sky, take a moment to marvel at the millions of stars twinkling above and remember that there is still so much out there waiting to be explored and discovered.